We understand that it is getting more and more difficult to support healthy people on a sick planet. We have an epidemic of cancer, obesity, diabetes, asthma, and other chronic diseases that threaten to overwhelm our entire healthcare system. These diseases are linked to environmental exposures in our food, air, water, and consumer products. It is no longer viable to simply focus on treatment of chronic disease, which now account for 70% of all healthcare costs. We need to prevent them from happening in the first place. We are launching the Healthier Hospital Initiative to challenge the entire healthcare sector to improve patient and employee health, reduce costs, and embed sustainability into the core operating model of healthcare for the 21st century. A healthy environment is not a luxury item. It is an essential human right and the very foundation of healthy people and healthy communities.
Because the President recognizes and views energy efficiency as the easiest and most cost-effective way to reduce our dependence on oil, save American families and businesses money, and reduce pollution.
You know, the healthcare industry spends about $8 billion on energy a year. Hospitals, as you can imagine, as you know, are very energy intensive. They use almost twice per square foot what an office building does. So the potential to save energy, money, and protect our environment is dramatic.
Every one of our missions say improve the health and well-being of patients and the community.
The core notion that's embedded in that new philosophy or that new idea is really this notion of how do you make the system sustainable? How do you make the individual's health sustainable?
I'm really asking for all of you to lead health and healthcare in rejection of this toxic food environment.
Human and environmental health are connected. And as caregivers dedicated to providing world-class care, this necessarily broadens the lens that we have to apply to looking at the way we operate our facilities.
It really comes down to the culture, and the root of being able to make these impacts is developing a culture that is built on sustainability.
I want your help in amplifying this and connecting people to what's going on with healthier hospitals. I really think that you can play a leading role in inspiring others to take action.